Hello everyone, today movie is from South Korea and its name is Piper. Without any delay, let's start. The Piper is a 2015 South Korean film. It comes under the category of period horror thriller. The time period that is shown in the movie is 1950. It is a time when Korean War ended and the disease TB is considered one of the biggest diseases during this time as it was incurable. Woo Ryong has some problem in his leg. Woo Ryong and his son are going to a town that name is Seoul to meet a doctor. Woo Ryong's son name is Young Nam and he is ill. They both reach in a village and they tell the chief of the village that they are going to meet an American doctor who has promised Woo Ryong that if he would reach in Seoul in 1 month, he will treat his sick son. He shows the chief a paper on which an address is written, but no one knows English. But when the paper is shown to the audience, it is nothing than an insulting remark that probably the doctor has written. It proves that no one is waiting for them in Seoul. The chief agrees that they can stay, but he says them not to tell other villages that the war has ended. The village is plagued by rats, and the villagers are really worried as they did everything to get rid of them. But there is no use. Boryong offers the villagers that he will help them to get rid of rats, and in return they will pay him so that he will be able to pay the fees of American doctor for his son. Boryong has the knowledge of herbal medicine, so he makes two kinds of medicines and somehow succeeds in and encage the rats in the cave. All the villagers start trusting him, but there is a secret that is hidden in the village that Woo Ryong doesn't know. The chief and some of the people left the village for some time in the fear of war. A shaman and some people who were suffering from leprosy stay there. After a while, Chief and his people come back, but the shaman and ill people ask them to go as they decided to leave the village. Leprosy is a disease in which the body starts decaying and the person starts looking like zombie. The chief and some of the villagers begged shaman and leopards to stay them at village until the war passed out, but later they encaved leopards and they were eaten by rats. But the shaman survived and cursed them that they and their children will all be doomed. They burn down the shaman and the rats start coming out of the cave and start infecting villagers and eating them. Before going further, let me tell you about shaman. It is believed in some cultures, especially in Korea and China, that shaman are like prophets. They are the link between spirits and gods. If someone is possessed by evil spirits or ghosts, shamans treat them. They can see the future by practicing, and in the past they were hired by kings to prophesy their future and lead them better. It is also believed that if they curse, it is effective and lead to a bad fate. The reason why rats started eating meat is because the villagers encased the people in the cave where there are rats, and the rats started eating them, and no rats want meat on constant basis. Misuk, who is also a shaman, fell in love with Woo Ryong, and Woo Ryong asked her to go with him to Seoul, but the chief starts conspiracy against Woo Ryong because he doesn't want shaman to leave the village. He starts telling lies that it is actually Woo Ryong who brought rats with him and he is a spy. And the chief says that he has caught a note that proves Woo Ryong is a spy and it is written on the note. The villagers turn against the Woo Ryong and chief's son Namso chops some fingers of Woo Ryong. The villagers start beating Woo Ryong and Misuk arrives with a stab wound. She repeats the prophecy of earlier shaman that the villagers' children will be at risk and die, and then Misuk dies. The chief takes the pipe of Woo Ryong and let him and his son young Nam to go, but the chief poisons their food. The piper Woo Ryong is seriously injured, so he falls asleep. His son Young Nam thinks that he should take back his father's pipe. He goes into the village to steal the pipe of his father, but on his way back, he eats the poisoned food. He dies in his father's arms. Woo Ryong has nothing left in his life. His lover and his son has died, so he plans a revenge on villagers. He makes a special powder and covers his body with it. He reopens the cave where he early caged the rats to help the villagers. He plays his flute to drive the rats to the village. The rats start attacking and eating the villagers. The chief is also eaten by the rats. Only the children of the villagers are left behind. Woo Ryong plays his pipe and children starts coming to him. Woo Ryong loads them into the cave. After all the children reached in the cave, he put a big stone in front of the cave and closed it. At the end of the movie, Woo Ryong looks into the mirror and the movie ends here. This is the revenge of Woo Ryong from the villagers that took advantage of his kindness and good deeds. And the prophecy of the shaman fulfilled too, that the villagers will all be killed and their children will be encased into the cave. This is the punishment of the villagers. The movie is indeed a horror thriller, and more than that, it is creepy, especially when the rats start eating the flesh of the humans. I hope you all like the video. Stay tuned with me for more videos. Goodbye.